Today we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports Maverick R high-impact ABS hood scoop. This scoop fits the Can-Am Maverick R, all models. Install time is around 15 minutes. Can be installed by yourself. With a difficulty level of beginner. You will need this list of tools to complete the installation. So, gather the tools, and let's install. Let's start by removing the factory hood, by unsnapping the hood from the bodywork. It should be fairly easy to remove. Next, we are going to install the two hood mounting brackets towards the back of the hood. As you see here, they face with the hood mount inward. Now, using a T30 Torx bit, remove these two body bolts. Then, set the brackets in place, as shown here, reinstall the Torx bolts, and tighten down. Next, before you install your hood scoop, you need to remove the protective plastic your scoop has on it. To do so, you will want to remove these vent covers, and these forward mounting bolts, so the plastic peels off cleanly. Then, reinstall the vents, and forward mounts. Now, your new hood scoop mounts to these two rear brackets. You may need to adjust them a little to line up. Then, the front of the hood scoop slides into the slotted bodywork, with these forward mounting tabs, shown here. Just align the hood, and slide the front tabs into the slots. Then, the rear mounting holes will line up, and install the two supplied 3mm Allen bolts, and tighten down. Now, install the two supplied DRT logo badges into the depressed areas on the hood. Peel off the protective red backer tape, set the badge into position, and press firmly but not too hard, as to damage the badge. Do the same to the other side, and you are done. Congrats, that completes your DRT Maverick R high-impact hood scoop install. This high-impact ABS hood scoop is an essential upgrade to the Maverick R. The hood scoop, with embossed DRT aluminum badges, adds a distinct aggressive styling and custom look to your vehicle. The hood is made of high-impact ABS with aluminum tabs and mounting brackets, to secure to the vehicle and keep the hood in place. The hood scoop features aluminum trim plates, expanded hex mesh for venting, and better heat dissipation out of the front of the vehicle. It is a direct replacement for OEM P 708,500,003. Until we meet on your next DRT install, be safe out there. If you have any questions during your installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.